Today we'll be changing the pollen filter on an E60 530D. First, pop the hood. So on this model, you've got two pollen filters, one on either side. Got two filters in that back. I'll get the tools required. I'll come back now. This is important to changing the filter. As you can see, the old one, absolutely full of mud. So every time you turn on your air conditioning, this is what you're going to breathe in. New one, lovely and clean. So I'll show you how to fit it now. 13mm socket and a nice little screwdriver there as well. So first of all, lock this to unlock. Gently undo the bolt. It's only plastic, so don't be too hard on it. Push this little clip off here. Just lifts off like that. And then gently lift it up, be careful. There's not a cable on this one, but on the other side there's a little cable. Just be careful not to pull it off there. Just gently grab it and pull it up. Always have a look inside to make sure it's nice and clean. You don't want a bit of new filter in a dirty area. On the filter itself has an arrow, what way around it should go. And just gently push it in, don't push too hard, you don't want to break your fins. Next important step then is clear out all the leaves, all the debris. So I was working on a little cloth, I'm just giving this a really good clean. The more you do now, the better it'll be for next time round. Always nice to put some essential oils in the filter. Makes it smell nice every time you put your aircon on, especially this time of year we've got heater on. Brings a nice lovely smell into your cabin. So the 5 clips are on top here. Clip them into the back. They should all line up nicely. Push it down so it's nice and firm. Metal clip back on top there. And then just gently tighten up your 13mm socket. But again, just be gentle as it is plastic, you don't want to shear it off. There you go, as easy as that. So now we've got a nice smelling cabin every time we put the air conditioning on.